Welcome to KV's Plants and Orchids. You are seeing my bay leaves plant. Bay leaf in Hindi it is called Tej Pata. English it is called bay leaves. It is used in food preparation, and some people even burn the leaves to chase away the mosquitoes. Usually the main purpose is in food preparation. Hindi it is called Tej Pata. Mine is in a pot. It is for the past 2 years I have this plant. Actually what you have to do is you can take the leaves and dry them in the shade and use it for cooking. So only when it is dry that fragrance will come. Otherwise it has fragrance, little bit of fragrance. If you do like this you can have, but only when it's dry it has more fragrance. So this I brought it some 2 years back, and it is in a small container. When I was thinking where to grow, before that it has taken root in that container. See the leaves. If anybody want to grow this plant, they can grow it. The only thing is it doesn't like cold conditions. Like in North India it will be difficult for you to grow this. It likes hot climate. It cannot survive this winter where it goes like 10 degrees and all. Otherwise you can grow in outdoors also. You can outdoor in the ground you can grow. Here since there is not much place, it needs sunlight also, so I have kept it in a pot only. How to propagate this I will tell you. You can just take a flexible stem of the plant, and then you remove all the leaves, and just like you propagate any croton or something, you can propagate. If you happen to see a bay leaf tree somewhere else in your friend's house or somewhere, you can just take a twig out from there, and you can just propagate it just like how you propagate crotons. You remove the leaves and stick it in some drainage, nice potting soil. It will root. It may take 2 months to 4 months according to the climatic conditions where you have kept the plant. Here I have not propagated it because there is not much space. Even if I propagate, I don't know where to keep it. So I haven't propagated, but you can propagate it. It's just like a croton plant only. And fertilizer, I am giving only the organic fertilizer, that too twice in a month. No, twice in a year. Sorry, twice in a year, because it is in a large pot. So some tulsi is also there. So when I give organic fertilizer to that plant, it also get. See, here it is like an ornamental plant also, but it is useful in your cooking also. Actually here it has grown, little bit grown. This is my pot where I keep water for my birds in the summer season, but I don't remove it. It sits there. The Ixora is nearby, the red color Ixora. So here they get lot of sunlight. That is why I have planted it here. So this is my bay leaf plant. Hindi it is called Tej Pata. Hope you like this video about my bay leaf plant. If you like it, press the like button. Subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed it. Thank you for watching.